Hello, everyone. My name is Kate, and I am very happy to speak today on behalf of innovation partner of this event, SWIC Digital. And let me find out how it works. Clickable, very good. So I'm not here to speak to you about the blockchain or explain you the blockchain technology, because I assume everyone has some knowledge because we are at the conference for the same topic. But I would like to show you a real business case which became possible with the introduction of blockchain technology for the real use case. We are very happy and very proud to be the first Swiss company, SWIC Digital Gateway AG, who are bridging the financial traditional banking system towards digital world. And we bring investment process to the new level where the middleman is no longer needed, like exchanges or banks. And we have a real use case, how this technology allows us to do the innovative business model. So our vision is to enable all people to invest our blockchain-based investment platform. And we plan to do that to bring this in an affordable way to the mass market. We promise to deliver to our customers a Swiss wealth management approach via smartphone, give access to the financial instruments to everyone for the ones which were not available before. We also educate people to save in a smart and modern way. And I would like to show you the sneak preview of our application. And I'm very proud to demonstrate today the blockchain-based trading, how it works. And here we can see that the engine is ready and the app design is at the final stage to be tested with our first customers. The second is our branding and app design is aligned and ready to work worldwide with the branding Tuki that you can see here is a very bright and not a very typical financial look. And last but not the least, we have a real tokenized financial products. For that, we were very happy to partner up with Leontech. Leontech is a well-known issuer of financial products on the Swiss exchange. And here you can see the examples of the first tokenized products ready to trade on our application. I would like to show you how the transaction works. It's the only technical slide of this presentation, but it's very important for you to learn how we enable this transaction to happen. So here you can see on the left side, asset provider with ready to trade tokens. That means that we have tokenized their products and they remain in their wallet on the provider side. On the other side, we have a user being ready to invest. And that means that he downloaded our application, he signed up for SWIC service and he went through onboarding process where we enabled and made a check of his KYC and AML before he topped up with his funds with fiat or with cryptocurrency. After that, that means that the trading process is very similar to the exchange and the provider is doing the market making. That means sending us bid and ask quotes like an exchange. We show these quotes to the user on our application and the user can decide if he will like to place an order to trade. So now comes the big difference from the traditional system. We see that both wallets are transparent on the blockchain. That means that provider knows that the user has the funds and the user knows that the provider has the tokens that he wishes to buy. Therefore, the transaction and the exchange of the funds and the tokens can happen via the blockchain within the seconds. That usually takes several days in the traditional system. Afterwards, after the trade is done, the asset provider sends us a commission to SWIC Gateway as sort of marketing fee. So it seems very easy that, you know, for the user and for the provider to trade, but it's actually not so easy technology-wise. And it was hard work to make it scalable and stable, to recreate this sort of exchange possibilities. If you are interested in the whole process, we can show you after the presentation the whole demonstration live on our mobile phones, and to give you the feeling of how it looks like and how easy it is to use. I know that someone would say that the technology is the most important thing, but every business person knows that actually timing is also more crucial to be on the market in the right time. So by seeing the shift in the investment process towards the mobile use, we feel that we are in the right place in the right time with our service. And we see support from regulatory environment towards crypto and towards DLT. And at the same time, you know, the longer we wait, the more competition comes, and we are well aware that we are not the first one on the in the space, but we know exactly our niche market. Therefore, we don't support high speculative trading like Robinhood. We don't want to establish another bank. We also don't want to focus on money transfers and payments, but we do focus on the long-term savings through investment strategies, easy to use for everyone worldwide. That works very well with our values of being a Swiss-based company. Headquartered in Zurich, as you can see, that's where the core team is working. And we do have licenses in Europe and Australia through our mother company, Quorum Holding, as well as lots of partnerships worldwide. In Switzerland, we are very spoiled. We are actually overbanked, and we have an access to all the services possible. And we would like to bring these capabilities to the world. Therefore, we focus on certain regions. You can see it on the map. For the short-term potential, we see MENA and Asia as the key regions, but we are also happy to adapt if we have an investor in the room with a specific region in mind where our service can be of help. And as you can see, the market is huge and has a huge potential, but we calculated the most conservative business plan and came up with numbers that we can reach 6 million, minimum 6 million within the years, 6 million users within the years. And we calculate 25 trades per user per year, which is realistic. And again, I would like to highlight that it's free for the user, and the provider pays us $1 per trade, which will be decreasing to 50 cents by 2026. Of course, we need a finance to realize our ambitious vision. And for that, we are looking to find 4.8 million Swiss francs in order to roll out in our first pilot country. And as you can see, we have split our rollout strategy into two parts. The first part is to enable the first 5,000 users to optimize our application and test the marketing strategy with a lower budget. And the ongoing rollout where we can accelerate and accelerate our further expansions worldwide. At this stage, everyone can participate in our project, and we come prepared for the investors. So you would invest in Swiss-based company via private equity convertible note or SPV according to your investment check size. We are also happy to discuss terms and conditions later in one-to-one meetings today and tomorrow. And the last but not least, I'm pretty sure everyone has a question in the room if the pandemic has an impact on our business case. And of course, we all know that it has brought a lot of challenges for everyone, but we would like to see it as an opportunity. And I think it became quite vital to know how to save and invest for the rainy days, and that we all need to reach to these services remotely. So digitalization became very, very important. And therefore, we would like to thank Agora and the team for organizing this event, that we can demonstrate today our project. And I would like to also introduce the team who is present today in the room. Stefan, please wave, founder and the mastermind behind the whole project. Our CTO, Simon, who is also here. Myself as a true believer in innovative ideas. And the rest of the team who is now sitting in Zurich and watching us live. Urban, who is a project leader and has an experience with internet business for the last 25 years. Mark is an application developer and also the youngest one in the team. And we do not have so many people, but we do have support from the various expertise from legal and compliance and strategy development by Thomas and Boris. I would like to thank everyone. I tried to be on time as a Swiss-based company, 10 minutes. I know it's a short time to give a deep overlook, but I really hope that I managed to give a good impression about our project, and we are very happy to answer all your questions on one-to-one meetings. Thank you.